Hello everyone! In this video, I will introduce the menstrual cup as well as the new protection, which is the menstrual disc. I will show you the disadvantages and advantages of each protection so that you can make your choice. This is the menstrual cup. You probably already know it. It has a bell shape and most of the time with a stem. The cup is placed somewhat like a tampon at the entrance of the vagina. Now here is the menstrual disc, which is much less known. As you can see, the menstrual disc resembles a menstrual cup but is flatter and wider. It is also placed differently than the cup. It sits higher in the vagina, just below the cervix, in an area called the fornix. So first of all, why choose a menstrual disc over a menstrual cup? One of the big advantages of the disc is that it is super comfortable. It is much more flexible than the copper. It is super soft. And the fornix, the part of the vagina located under the cervix, is much less sensitive than the entrance of the vagina, so it will be felt much less. It is compatible with your IUD, and unlike the menstrual cup, which can move your contraceptive, it does not have a suction effect, and it is much less likely to pull on the IUD strings when you remove it. It also has a greater capacity than the cup. The menstrual disc can hold about the equivalent of 2 cups, which is very convenient for flows, abundant flows. With the disc, you also have the possibility of having sexual intercourse. It can also empty itself without needing to be removed. This is called auto-dumping, and it's one of the unique features of the menstrual disc. Now here's the list of drawbacks of the disc compared to the cup. Firstly, unlike the cup, removing the disc without making a mess is quite complicated, especially the first time. Secondly, using the menstrual disc at first can sometimes be very complicated, as you need to know your body well and be comfortable inserting it under your cervix and securing it behind your pubic bone. So which protection should you choose, the cup or the disc? In most cases, you are recommended the disc because it has many more advantages than the menstrual cup. If you are used to the cup but it has become painful, is no longer staying in place, or other issues, try the disc, which is truly the perfect alternative to the cup. Menstrual. For many women, it is much more practical, daily, and more comfortable. Moreover, if you are a mom, you will certainly be recommended the disc as it stays in place much better. Then, the cup. For all those interested in the menstrual disc, we offer a special beginner deal with 1 disc purchased and the other size free. However, if you are not entirely comfortable with your body and your blood, the menstrual cup will be a better alternative for you. We hope this video has helped you make your choice. In any case, the best solution is to try the different protections to see which suits you best. Better. That's why at Cup&Co, we offer you to try our discs and cups for 90 days, and if they don't suit you, you will be refunded. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, whether about the menstrual cup or the menstrual disc, leave them in the comments. We'll be happy to answer you. See you soon.